Welcome to my channel. Nouns also called naming words would probably be the very first part of speech you would have learned in your English grammar classes. Anything we can touch, see, smell, taste, hear and hold can be referred to as nouns. Nouns are part of speech that comprise words that are used to name people, places, animals, objects and ideas. Almost every sentence will definitely have a noun and they perform different roles in a sentence. Nouns can act as a subject, an indirect object, a direct object, a subject complement, and an object complement. So, nouns can also function as adjectives and verbs. It's very easy definition of noun. So next we have some examples of nouns. In nouns, first we have people, Rahul, Sheila, man, person, Tommy, women, etc. Next places, Bangalore, India, Mexico, North Pole, South Africa, etc. Animals, birds, aquatic animals, reptiles are also called nouns. Ideas, evolution, invention, extinction, argument, destruction are also included in nouns, objects and things. Bed, cycle, curtains, etc. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces noun in a sentence. It helps to avoid repetition and adds variety to sentences. Pronouns can refer to people, animals, things, places, or ideas in a sentence. He, she, you, me, I, we, us, this, them, that, etc. Subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Object me, you, us, them, him, her, it. So adjective is my, your, or, their, his, her, its. Pronouns mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers,